Welcome to qnawire.
Alright, so for this problem we want to do the different operations. So here we want to simplify x squared plus 3x minus 40 over x squared plus 10x plus 16. We can rewrite this by factoring the top and bottom. We're going to get x plus 8 times x minus 5. And then we are going to get x plus 8 times x plus 2 on the bottom. We see here that since we have an x plus 8 and on the top and the bottom, we can cross those out. So we're going to get x minus 5 over x plus 2. Now we want to write down any restrictions besides our domain. So for our domain, we know that x could not equal negative 2 because it would make the bottom equal to 0, but we also know that x cannot equal negative 8 because there was this x plus 8 on the bottom that we have to also account for. For the next problem, we are doing 3y minus 12 over 8y plus 24 divided by 4 minus y over 3y plus 27. I'm going to solve this by doing keep, change, flip. For my first fraction, I'm going to pull out a 3. So I'm going to get 3 times y minus 4. On the bottom, I'm going to pull out an 8 and get y plus 3. I'm going to multiply this by 3 times y plus 9 divided by negative 1 y minus 4. Now when I multiply across, I see that my y minus 4's are going to cancel. So I'm left with 9 times y plus 9 over negative 8 times y plus 3. So that will be my answer. And then I know that y plus 3 cannot equals 0, so I know that y cannot equal negative 3, and I also know that y minus 4 cannot equal 0, so y cannot equal 4. So my smaller one would be negative 3, and my bigger restriction would be 4. Lastly, for the subtraction problem, we're doing 2x minus 1 minus negative 1 plus x, and they're both over x plus 6. Since they have the same denominator, we're just going to keep that denominator. This top part is going to be 2x minus 1. And then this negative is going to make it minus 1 plus x. So we're going to get on the top 3x minus 2 over x plus 6. We know that our bottom cannot equal 0, so x cannot equal negative 6.